Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable those notifications in a Google Chrome. So those notifications in Google Chrome are brief pop-ups that appear near the top of the browser interference. They are triggered by user actions. These notifications provide immediate feedback and often include interactive buttons. Despite their utility, those notifications are not always welcome. Some find them as intrusive. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method that we're going to do is to disable those notifications via Chrome browser. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And then once you open up, so here in searching address bar, and then we need to type this a keyword Chrome semicolon / plugs. Alright, so just type this a keyword Chrome semicolon / plugs and then press enter. And you can see now this experiments, and then here at search plugs, and then you need to type this keyword toast. TOEST, just type only this keyword and you can see now this Chrome toast options. Alright, so we have two options here. Number one is the top Chrome toast refinements, and the other one is added set confirmations. So all you have to do is to disable these options, and on right side you can see here this options, and then click this arrow and select disabled, and the other one, and then same, click this arrow and select disabled. And then once you select this disabled, and then you need to click this relaunch. Alright, so click this relaunch. Okay, so you can see now this two option settings is already disabled those notifications. Alright, and the other method that we're going to do is to adjust this Chrome notifications. So same here at Chrome browser. So all you have to do is to click this three dot on the top right corner. And then you need to scroll down and select settings. At left side navigation pane, and then you need to select privacy and security and then click. And on right side, and then under at privacy and security, and then you need to select site settings. So here in site settings, and then under at permissions, and then you need to select notifications and then click. So here in notifications at default behavior, and then you need to select this, don't allow sites to send notifications. So click this, don't allow site to send notifications, and that's it guys. Alright, so that's it on how to disable those notifications in a Google Chrome. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.